Where ma? Where ma?
Yeah, underground elements. Yeah, angasi kusasa liphetheni okwenzakele kufana nokudaliwe emhlabeni. My yesterday was never good like ingomsolam. It's all I couldn't even sleep bile phupho lam. I had a dream, Offie wasn't feeling well. She felt sick, a feeling that I couldn't stand. Mama, ngicela uphole to the Lord I pray. Ma, ifukushiya ngizosala noba. You the breadwinner mama ulithemba lami. I wasn't raised by your time kwakubuhlungu ma. Ngibonga umdali cause wena ubukhona ma. I'm a grown man now, yasichenya ngami. Ingomso lami ma, lithanda ukuqhakaza. Inhlungu zakho ma, zizoshabalala. Big brother T, ungalahli ithemba. Sooner than later uzophuma lapha ejele. Happiness, strength, hope, love and 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 happiness. I was born and raised from the ghetto. Hunger was my friend in good times and bad. I was never raised by a silver spoon, that's why I'm mad. No sweat, nigga, I got the heart to rely on. I keep on running from the cops, that's why I'm starving. Every black nigga from the block is a suspect. Gunshots, tackling, nigga, we hustling. Who are you to judge, nigga? Fuck the system. Politics, fuck the system. I'm ghetto minded. That's how I've been living. Been raised by a single parent, that shit ain't easy. No freedom of speech. If you talk, you die. KKK, blacks must die. Fuck that. Kill them with a smile. Amandla, nindi phezulu uthi ngewethu uthatha umadiba selethu. Strength, hope, love and happiness. 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 Strength, hope, love and happiness, strength, hope, love and happiness, strength, hope, love and happiness, strength, hope, love and happiness. Get your nice tie, thola bolove makhoneni baphafuza inside. They never been into school, they don't even have a clue. Ugo to banu bantu, they even live by no holes. Pape minsango ne bus, inyawbe kunye ne home, ikapa kunye ne hood, ikasi fedels of pull. Ntwana bahlala big jut, ntwana bahlala big tum. Bafuna uphakama isithup, impumalanga nesithup. Ikhami kunye ne chair, baplome tolo kamsis, but you turn against this. Ikhwam, that's what they've been thinking. Ugut baytala kuphi, they no longer attend the school. Abasafune no course, they living under influence. Inyawbe kunye ne bus, they've been serving success. That's what they've been chasing. Mara yafana, cause now dreams are fading. Now dreams are fading. Strength, hope, love and happiness. Strength, hope, love and happiness. Strength, hope,